Welcome to your own private oasis. Today, we are exploring the breathtaking beauty of tropical style interior design. Imagine coming home to a space that feels like a permanent vacation, a home where stress melts away at the door. This style is all about erasing the boundaries between your interior living space and the beautiful natural world outside. Let's dive into exactly what makes this aesthetic so incredibly relaxing and how you can bring paradise into your home. So, what exactly is tropical style? At its heart, it is a design philosophy inspired by the lush, relaxed beauty of the tropics. It draws heavily from nature, utilizing organic materials, abundant plant life, and layouts that prioritize fresh air and light. Unlike more rigid design trends, this aesthetic focuses entirely on unpretentious comfort and creating a laid-back atmosphere. It often blends modern elements with British colonial influences, creating spaces that feel both well-traveled and deeply grounded. Modern tropical design leaves behind the tacky cliches. It's highly refined, mature, and perfectly suited for everyday living. Ultimately, it's about transforming your home into a personal sanctuary, where everyday life feels like a peaceful island retreat. First and foremost, tropical style is defined by an abundance of natural light that breathes life into every corner. A seamless flow between indoors and outdoors is essential, erasing the walls to create one expansive, breathing space. Bringing the jungle inside is a must. Layering various plants adds depth, texture, and a sense of vibrant life to your home. High ceilings and louvered windows encourage natural ventilation, ensuring your paradise remains cool and breezy at all times. Look for organic shapes and soft curves in furniture and architecture to mimic the fluid forms found in the natural world. Start with a neutral palette of whites, creams, and sandy beiges to create a calm, clean canvas for your design. Incorporate various shades of green, from deep forest to vibrant lime, to echo the lush vegetation of the tropics. Earthy browns and rich wood tones provide grounding and warmth, reflecting the solid elements of the island landscape. Use vibrant accents like sun-kissed oranges and yellows to add pops of energy and tropical joy to your rooms. Cool down your space with ocean-inspired blues and teals, bringing the serenity of the sea into your private sanctuary. Natural woven materials like rattan, cane, and seagrass bring essential texture and an airy, handcrafted feel to the space. Invest in durable, moisture-resistant tropical hardwoods like teak or mahogany for furniture that lasts a lifetime. Cool, natural stone floors like travertine or slate are incredibly practical for warm climates and add earthy elegance. Choose breathable, lightweight fabrics like pure linen and raw cotton for upholstery and flowing window treatments. Let's explore room by room. In the living room, prioritize deep, conversational seating oriented towards a beautiful view. Hide modern technology within beautiful wooden consoles, and use botanical art to maintain the natural, organic illusion. The tropical kitchen is bright and airy, blending sage greens, warm woods, and open shelving for a fresh, welcoming feel. Create a cozy breakfast nook with botanical prints, a natural wood table, and sweeping views of your outdoor garden. Your bedroom should be the ultimate sanctuary. A canopy bed draped in sheer netting instantly creates a resort-like feel. Incorporate slatted wood wardrobes for breathable storage and natural rattan accents to complete your personal retreat. Elevate your bathroom into a luxury tropical spa with natural stone, deep soaking tubs, and lush green views. For the ultimate paradise experience, an outdoor shower enclosed by natural stone brings you incredibly close to nature. Now for some crucial tips. First, simplify your space. Decluttering is essential to achieve true, lasting tranquility. Decorate with intention. Choose authentic, globally inspired artifacts and organic materials over cheap, plastic cliches. Design for all your senses. Introduce subtle, tropical fragrances to deeply enhance the overall feeling of relaxation. Avoid harsh overhead lighting. Layer warm, ambient light using woven pendants and wall sconces for a cozy evening glow. Embrace beautiful imperfections. Wrinkled linen and weathered, distressed wood add genuine character, and deep comfort. If possible, incorporate a subtle water feature. The gentle sound and visual reflection of water are incredibly calming. Pay attention to the finishes. Opt for hardware with a living patina, like unlacquered brass, to add incredible warmth. Finally, frame your views. Let the beautiful, natural landscape outside become the primary artwork in your living space. Maximize vertical space. Vaulted ceilings with exposed wooden beams draw the eye up and keep the room exceptionally cool. Ditch heavy drapes. Opt for sheer linen curtains or simple wooden louvers to let the breeze and natural light flow freely. If space allows, create an indoor-outdoor dining area. It completely transforms everyday meals into a luxurious resort experience. Tropical style is much more than a fleeting design trend. It is a dedicated lifestyle choice centered around daily tranquility. By surrounding yourself with organic materials, abundant light, and nature, you actively promote deep wellness and relaxation. This aesthetic relies on high-quality, authentic, natural materials, ensuring your home remains beautiful and timeless for decades. Ultimately, it is about transforming your house into a highly personal oasis, a sanctuary where you can truly unplug and recharge. From the organic textures to the seamless flow of fresh air, every single element works together to create a living paradise. Are you ready to embrace the tropical breeze and turn your everyday living space into the ultimate relaxing getaway? Thank you for joining our tropical home tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start building your own paradise today.